Hello guys, we are factory. We produce all kinds of trucks, dump truck and stuff. So we are located in China. Whatever you need is me. As we start from scratch, we build the body parts, we build everything together to make sure you get the quality of your goods done. Okay? We can help you ship it from China to your doorsteps. We are into shipping as well. We help customers make payment to their Chinese customers. Whatever you need concerning dump truck, concerning items based in China here, just look at my DM, talk to me, tell me what you want. We try to do repackaging for customers as well. So whatever item, whether it is small, big, we help you. We have good customer service that can talk to you to make sure that your item that you have sent to us is being handled very good. I personally go to the warehouse, check everything, arrange it, and send back to you. As we are human, we can also make mistakes. So if you find any mistake on that, you just talk to us. Do in a nice way, don't end it. Okay, you talk to me, you talk to me, alright? This what you did, it can improve your business. So all these machines, the customer told me to go to the warehouse, inspect them, talk to them, make sure you get a quality item. Sometimes it is better you go to the factory, you call the customer see whatever it is there, satisfy with it, and then process it. If you need any information concerning product design, I'm located in the area. Talk to me, and then I'll take you around translation as well. We don't charge you for anything, but as it goes, if you are satisfied with my product, you can tip me. I will not say I will not take it. You get the point? Yeah. As you satisfied with your products, you get your product at your doorstep, you're okay with it, you can give me 5 stars. Like I said, we are human. We can make mistakes. If you have any issues, you talk to me. See you in you. Long live your business. To me, have a great day. See you as we celebrate this new year. I wish you good success. Great day. My name is. You can talk to me 346449.